making Foxtail Millet Idli. The ingredients are half cup urad dal, 3/4 cup of millet. You can use Foxtail millet or any millet which is available. 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 2.5 cups of water. The quantity of the water depends on the consistency we should get for the idli batter. Also we need idli plates with the idli steamer, or you can use the pressure cooker. Oil to grease the idli plates. First we have to wash and soak this urad dal with 1/4 cup of water. You have to soak it overnight or 3 to 4 hours. Thoroughly wash these millets along with this methi seeds and soak it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight with 1 cup of water. I have this soaked ingredients ready. We have to first grind the urad dal. Before turning on this grinder, you have to add little bit of water. Then add the urad dal along with the soaked water. Grind it to a fine paste. Add water in between if needed. This is ready. Now we have to drain the water from the soaked millet and add this millet to the urad dal batter and grind it for just 1 minute. Now it's been a minute. Turn off the grinder and this is at the right consistency. It has to be a coarse batter. Transfer this idli batter to a bigger bowl. Add salt. Mix it with your hand like this and whisk it for a minute. Then cover it and keep it aside to ferment. This is the next day. We have this good fermented idli batter. Mix it well. Now the idli batter is ready. Grease the idli plates with a little bit of oil or ghee. Pour this idli batter to the idli plates like this. Steam cook these idlis on medium high heat for 12 to 14 minutes and then turn off the heat. If you are using a pressure cooker to steam the idlis, don't put the weight on. Now we have this millet idli ready. You can remove the idli from the plate using a wet spoon, and we can make around 16 idlis this size. You can eat these idlis with sambar, chutney and even the chutney powder. I hope you enjoy making this millet idlis. For more recipes, visit our website and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.